You've invested in one of our ionizers so that you can have the cleanest, healthiest drinking water. But what about the water that you bathe or shower in? Or do the dishes or your clothes in? What about the water you feed your pets or your plants? How about protecting your pipes, your fixtures, and your appliances? Well, now you can with our new UltraHome Whole House systems. When it comes to whole house filters, it's what's on the inside that matters. Most cheap and inferior systems out there use nothing more than granulated activated carbon, just like what's in a Brita filter. Our UltraHome systems use the exact same filter technology as our industry-leading UltraWater filters. Protect everything, your skin, your health, your hair, your pets, everything in your home. Our UltraHome systems are super easy to install. Other systems can have as many as 9 connection points or more. Our single systems have 2 connection points and our combo system has 3. And our systems don't require back flushing. And because of that, that means you have no wastewater, no wasting water. And since you have no wastewater, there's no drain line to plumb. Plumbing one of those can run you over $1,000 easy just on the install. And since we don't backflush, you don't waste water, you have no harsh chemicals or salts to dispose of, and you have no complex control system, so there's no power requirement. After a power outage with other systems, you have to call a plumber just to come out and reset your system. No power, no wasted water, make our UltraHome system super eco-friendly. Our systems are extremely low maintenance. Our premium system lasts up to 1 million gallons or 10 years, and our salt-free system is lifetime, of course depending on your source water and usage. So protect the home you love. Our UltraHome systems are on sale now, and you can finance them for as little as $20 to $30 a month. We can customize our systems to meet your needs, whatever they are. So call today and speak to one of our WQA certified water experts to get started. Thank you.